Alright. Last two games I've lost. I am going with my Imbue Leech deck.
You asked for it.
Let's see how this one goes.
The past is dead.
And yes, Alex, Ysera is pretty much in every one of my decks, but I'm going to keep her a little late game right now because I need more leeches. Oh well, I got Imbue early. It'll work. I'll use that in turn 2 if I don't get any leeches by that point.
You have the king's audience. Frostborn hungers.
Dude, I hate these people that take forever. It's so annoying. Like, what are you waiting for? Hurry up. You're not doing shit. Oh, there you go, finally.
By petal and sword!
Is mine.
Already imbued twice, so I'll be able to use this next turn and kill that guy in one hit.
You shall not wait.
Next turn I'll throw him out. And that'll leave turn 6 for these guys, giving me them a +3 attack. Some leeches. Let's do a late night. Okay. Kill this one then.
Lend their strength.
Job done.
Jade Serpent guide you.
Follow the flutterwings!
Seriously, use this card? That's good for me, actually, because then you're going to give me all your spells when you use them. You're an idiot. Oh, that was so stupid. Player's hand. I don't have any spells. I have some in this deck. I do. Alright, that's fine. That's fine. I got some cards. Yeah, let's do it. I hope this dude didn't think it would benefit him, because I wouldn't say the Leech deck has very many spells in it. I've got a couple. I do have a couple. I think. I think. It's been so long, I don't remember any of my decks anymore. That's kind of why I'm getting my ass handed to me. Screw Stormwind. Let's knock this sign down. Oh, it got struck by lightning. That's even better.
You won't miss just one.
stuff's not very interactive. I don't like the ones that don't do much. Oh, I can't believe it.
Time runs out on me.
Oh, what? Oh, that sucks. Let's do it again. 3 of them! What you gonna do this time? Still not the best option. I'm not getting the best cards right now. Although I probably should have laid out that taunt one first. What did they do to me? How did that attack? Oh. See, that doesn't make sense. The lowest attack enemy oh, highest. He was a kindred. Okay.
Impossible.
Time runs out on me.
I'm already up to 40 health. Almost 40 health, though.
Frostmourne hunger.
Dude, am I just gonna get my ass kicked all day? Probably. She's got a count for everything.
Time runs out on me.
Alright. Let's go like this. Send this guy out. That'll heal me.
What a waste.
Alright, now that I'm full health, I can actually afford to screw around a little bit. Alright.
Druids of Azeroth, gods of the water.
Boop-a-doo! Come on, Tortula. Alright, let's go with this one. Throw him out.
Consumes all. You shall suffer.
Oh crap, they already have the Origin Stone? I missed that. That's not good.
My people will regret turning their backs on you.
Time runs out on me.
Follow the flutter wings.
Oops, how'd that happen? And heal. Oh no. Oh, you fucking dick!
Impossible.
That is fucking bullshit. I should have fucking used Alex Drassa. Oh. Fuck. See, and that's why I was scared of that fucking secret.
You
Time runs out on me.
pushed me to my limit.
Yeah, I gotta surrender on this one. They got me.
All
That secret screwed me.